Suzuki Wagon R Stingray J-Style 2013 full option outclass condition 18 to 22 km L push start urgent sell only 23 lakh and please like subscribe. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you a very stylish, feature-packed, and fuel-efficient Japanese hatchback that is perfect for city driving and family use. If you are looking for a modern design, advanced features, and excellent fuel average in a reasonable budget, then this car might be the perfect option for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end because this deal is very interesting. Today's car is a Suzuki Wagon R Stingray J-Style, 2013 model, imported and registered in 2016. This is the full option variant, and currently it is with the second owner, and the car is registered in the owner's own name, which makes the deal secure and transparent. Let's start with the exterior condition. The car is fully original from inside and outside. Only 3 to 4 pieces have minor touch-ups just for a fresh and clean look. The body condition is excellent, and the car looks very attractive on the road. The Stingray version has a more aggressive and sporty design compared to the normal Wagon R. The front grille, sharp headlights, and sporty bumper design give it a premium Japanese look. Now let's talk about the mileage. The car has driven 95,000 kilometers, which is reasonable for a 2013 imported vehicle. Recently, a newly installed engine has been fitted for better performance and smooth driving. The engine response is strong, acceleration is smooth, and the drive feels powerful. If you are looking for performance along with fuel economy, this car gives you both. Speaking of suspension, the suspension is in 100% perfect condition. The ride quality is comfortable and stable, even on rough city roads. There are no unusual sounds, and the car feels solid while driving. Whether you drive in traffic or on open roads, the car maintains balance and comfort. Now let's move towards the interior features. This is the J-Style full option variant, so you get many premium features. The car comes with push start button, which gives a modern and luxury feel. It has comfortable sofa-style seats that provide excellent support during long drives. The interior condition is fully original and very well maintained. The car is equipped with projection headlights and fog lights, which improve visibility at night and give a stylish front appearance. It also has retractable side mirrors, which are very useful in tight parking spaces. The dual RPM meter gives a sporty dashboard look and helps you monitor engine performance easily. You also get a factory spoiler at the back, which enhances the sporty appearance of the car. Original alloy rims are installed, adding to the premium feel and road grip. Overall, the car looks modern and stylish from every angle. For entertainment and connectivity, an Android panel is installed. You can use navigation, Bluetooth, YouTube, and many other apps directly on the screen. This is a great feature for daily use and long drives. The car also comes with climate control air conditioning, which automatically maintains cabin temperature. This feature is especially useful in hot weather and gives you a comfortable driving experience. Now let's talk about fuel average, which is a very important factor in Pakistan. This Suzuki Wagon R Stingray gives you approximately 18 to 22 km per litre, depending on driving style and road conditions. This makes it a very fuel-efficient car for daily commuting and family use. With rising fuel prices, this kind of average is a big advantage. Coming to documentation, all documents are clear and complete. The car is tax clear, CPLC Clear, and original number plates are available. This means the car is legally safe to purchase, and there will be no issues during transfer. The car is simply buy and drive, no major work required. Now let's talk about the demand. The owner is asking 23,75,000 PKR. Considering that this is a full option J-Style variant, with newly installed engine, original condition, excellent suspension, Android panel, climate control, alloy rims, and strong fuel average, the demand is reasonable according to the current market. Overall, if you are searching for a stylish Japanese hatchback, a comfortable family car, or a fuel-efficient daily driver with modern features, this Suzuki Wagon R Stingray J-Style 2013 is definitely worth considering. It offers performance, comfort, style, and economy all in one package. If you are seriously interested, make sure to contact the owner, visit the location, inspect the car personally, and take a proper test drive before finalizing the deal. If you like this review, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more latest car reviews and daily car deals. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.